Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to redraw your avatar on Roblox mobile. So guys, first of all, if you go into customization, so you won't find any options like redraw in Roblox app. So to do redraw, you have to use uh, browser to do that. So first of all, you have to open any browser and make sure to log in that account in your account. Once you log in, you have to go to in avatar editor by tapping on this menu button and then click on this avatar. So this is basically avatar editor where you can customize your, so like this is my avatar, and add something else or some other items. And once I added and I want to recorrect it, so what you can do, you have to click on this redraw option here under the avatars picture. So you just click on redraw. It will reset your avatar to the basic one, the default one. Fine. If the avatar does not loading correctly, is not loading correctly, you just need to click on this redraw option to reload your avatar. So if someone is some characters or some avatar is not working well or is not loading, then you can try this option. Fine, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.